From the big screen to the gaming screen, Hamilton has always had a story to tell. Featured in over 500 movies, from 2001, A Space Odyssey, to Interstellar and Tenet, Hamilton watches have become icons of both cinema and culture. But now, the brand is taking another bold step into the world of gaming. To celebrate the release of Call of Duty, Black Ops 7, Hamilton unveils the Khaki Field Auto 38mm Black Ops 7 Special Edition, a watch you can wear both in-game and on your wrist in real life. Built from Hamilton's military heritage, this 38mm stainless steel field watch is rugged, refined, and ready for action. With brushed surfaces, a polished bezel, sapphire crystal, and 100 meters of water resistance, it's designed for the battlefield, virtual or otherwise. The black textured dial features luminous sword hands and multiple scales for precision, while the khaki green NATO strap keeps things authentically military. Flip it over, and you'll find special Call of Duty engravings on the caseback, plus Hamilton's H10 automatic movement with an impressive 80-hour power reserve. Limited to just 5,000 pieces worldwide, this Black Ops 7 edition merges the worlds of gaming and watchmaking like never before, all at a gamer-friendly price of around €925. Whether you're fighting missions on screen or making moves in real life, the Hamilton Khaki Field Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Special Edition has you covered. Which side are you on?